Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the taillight bulb on this 2007 Honda Pilot. In order to do that, you need to remove the entire taillight, and you have to take off these two 8mm screws, or you could use a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, the only thing holding this thing in place is two pins. Now this must have had some body work done because it just comes right out, okay? The pins are right here, and they go into these holes, okay? If yours don't come right out, just use like a trim tool and stick it in here and try to pry it out. Or you could smack the tire headlight this way and it should come right out, okay? Once you get it out, these are all your bulbs, okay? And we're gonna replace this one. So all you gotta do is twist it kind of clockwise, pull it out, and that's your bulb right there. Okay, to replace the bulb, just pull it out, okay? And this is the bulb number you need. I happen to have a spare one. So you're just gonna push the other one right in. And we're going to test it before we put it back together, okay? Okay, now you can put your bulb in place. It's only one way this goes in, okay? So once you put it in and it's fully seated, you're going to turn it clockwise to lock in place. You can do the same thing with the other ones if you need to change them. Once you put them in, get in there. Lock it in place. There's another one here. Okay, now you can put your light back on. You're just going to line up the pins with the holes. And once they're lined up, smack it in to lock it in place, and you're going to put your screws in, okay? All right, guys, I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.